SustainTech is a technopreneurship-driven company promoting sustainable waste management through smart innovation. Our product, TRASH, makes waste handling effortless by automatically sorting, shredding, and composting household trash into reusable materials like eco-bricks and organic fertilizer.
Cleanatech aims to answer three main problems. Number one, climate change. About 45% of municipal solid waste comes from residual sources. Number two, improper waste segregation. About 20% of Filipino families never segregate. And number three, flooding. The DENR NCR removed 872,625 sacks of solid waste from Metro Manila waterways. Our main markets would be households, public markets, and food establishments, with a total available market of 26 million customers, with an estimated value of 80 billion pesos. Serviceable available market, 5 million customers, with an estimated value of 10 billion pesos. Serviceable obtainable market of 100,000 customers, with an estimated value of 100 million pesos. And this is our product, Crash. Total recycling and automated segregation help.
Good day, everyone. I'll be explaining the technology behind our project. Our system uses infrared moisture and weight sensors to automatically detect and separate different types of waste. Once identified, the waste is sent to the correct process. Biodegradable waste goes through a rotary drum composter, turning into organic fertilizer. On the other hand, the non-biodegradable waste passes through the plastic shredder unit to create the materials for eco-bricks. All operations are controlled by a microcontroller powered by 220 volts AC with an optional solar panel for sustainability. At present, our prototype is under development and being tested for its basic sorting functions.
Good day, let's quickly look at the market to see why our trash system is different. Our competitors offer incomplete solution when EcoWaste only compose green loop is too large scale for communities and SmartBin only monitors waste and it doesn't process it. Our trash system is the only all-in-one solution which uses smart sensors to automatically sort, compose, and recycle waste for homes, markets, and restaurants. Most importantly, it turns waste into income-generating products like fertilizer and eco-bricks. It's a low-cost, locally built system powered by renewable energy, making it the only truly complete and sustainable solution available.
For our business model focuses on how the trash system generates income while promoting sustainability. We start with the awareness stage where we promote our product through social media, websites, and school fairs to attract attention. Next is the interest stage where we hold demonstrations and distribute flyers and posters to show our system works. At the purchase stage, customers can buy or rent the trash system depending on their needs. Once used, the machine produces eco bricks and compost, which leads to the revenue stage where these products are sold to suppliers and local businesses. Our income mainly comes from machine sales at 45%, followed by the eco brick sales at 25%, the fertilizer sales at 20%, and the maintenance services at 10%.
Go-to-market plan shows how the company distributes its product. TRASH, or Total Recycling and Automated Segregation Helper. The company reaches consumers through three key channels: online platforms like its website, Lazada and Shopee, retail partners such as appliance and hardware stores, and partnership with LGUs and NGOs for community waste programs. These routes target both individual households and community users like school and barangays. Altogether, the plan ensures that TRASH becomes accessible to a wide range of consumers, promoting sustainable waste management at both homes and community levels.
Our project is currently in the prototype developmental stage, with assembly and programming in progress. We're preparing for field testing on October 2025 to assess system performance under real conditions. By October 22, We'll conduct a public demo to showcase the prototype's automation and functionality features. The fully functional prototype is set for release on October 26, 2025. On the business side, we've built our startup framework, defined our team structure, are now exploring partnerships with recycling suppliers. Although we're still in the early marketing stage, our online presence is growing rapidly. We're proud to be taking steady steps toward launching a sustainable and innovative system that makes a real impact. Our vision is to create a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable community through an automatic waste segregation system. We plan to finalize the prototype by 2025, begin small-scale production in 2026, and pilot use in selected barangays by 2027. By 2028, we aim to expand nationwide and establish our startup company, driving innovations in sustainable waste management. Beyond 2028, we'll continue developing next-generation models to strengthen eco-friendly technology and promote environmental responsibility across the Philippines. The team consists of Mark's Unbelievable Group, the innovators, mechanical and electrical engineering students in Mapua for technical help, faculty advisors in Mapua, the advisors, and the needs will come from DOST for financial assistance, DENR for partnership, LGU for partnership implementation and community support, and lastly TESDA for partnership, technical, and production support.
Millions of tons of waste end up in our landfills due to poor segregation. Our trash system automates this, transforming waste into valuable fertilizer and eco bricks. With the support of DOST, DNR, and our LGUs, we are building a zero waste Philippines. Join us because at Sustain Tech, waste ends where innovation begins.